In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create currency watermark on Tradingview chart. If you've ever wanted a clean, unobtrusive way to remind yourself which currency pair and timeframe you are looking at, a watermark is perfect. It's that faint text in the background of your chart that shows details like the ticker, the interval, and a short description. Without getting in the way of your analysis, start by opening your chart. Pick any currency pair you want to work with. Once your chart is up, click anywhere on the chart area and choose Settings. If you prefer, you can also click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the same settings window. Both methods take you to the exact place you need. Inside the settings window, go to the Canvas tab. In some versions of the platform, this section may be labeled Appearance, so don't worry if you see that instead. You are in the right spot. Look for the watermark option. If the watermark is currently hidden, enable it by checking the box so it becomes visible on your chart background. Next, open the watermarks drop-down settings here. Select the options for ticker, interval, and description. These check marks control exactly what appears in your watermark. Enabling the ticker makes sure the currency symbol is visible. The interval shows the time frame you are analyzing. And the description adds a brief label that can help you quickly confirm what you are viewing. Keeping all three checked provides a clear, at-a-glance reference without clutter. Now set the color. Choose a tone that supports readability but stays out of the spotlight. On light themes, a light gray tends to look clean and professional. On dark themes, go with a darker, faint color so the text is visible but not overpowering. The goal is to have the watermark present for context while your candles and indicators remain the focus. Finally, adjust the opacity or transparency. Slide it down until the watermark is subtle. If it competes with your price action, lower the opacity a bit more. If it disappears entirely, bring it back up slightly. Small adjustments here can make a big difference, so take a second to fine-tune it until your chart feels balanced and easy on the eyes. That's it. Thanks for watching.